Hey YouTubers, YouTubers, this is gonna be not comments, outtakes right here. This is gonna be something funny. I'm trying to get the battery out of this. So, just watch and yeah. Come on. Get out. Oh, come on. Stop beeping. Ugh. There. Dumb thing, I gotta get rid of this. Okay, this outtake is not for little kids right here. Unlock the door. Very, very cold outside. Very, very. Two of them down there. I have another one down there. Yeah. That was a classic. Well, those are the outtakes, only two. There's not very much. Thank you YouTubers for watching my video. Yeah, that smoke alarm is a pain in the neck. I dipped it in there. This one's gonna go in next. And these are my favorite ones so far until I get the kitty combination smoke and carbon monoxide. That one's not gonna get near any water. I'd be even sad if the basement flooded, which we're in right now. But thank you.